Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn whole numbers together, step by step. Whole numbers are the natural numbers together with zero. We'll place them on the number line and explore the friendly properties of their operations. Whole numbers start at 0 and go on forever. On the number line, adding jumps to the right and subtracting jumps to the left. Operations follow neat rules. Addition and multiplication are commutative and associative. Order and grouping don't matter, and multiplication distributes over addition. 0 is special for addition. Adding it changes nothing. 1 is special for multiplication, and anything times 0 is 0. The distributive law makes mental maths easy. 8 times 107 is 8 times 100 plus 8 times 7, 800 plus 56, which is 856. To recap, whole numbers begin at 0. Their operations are commutative, associative, and distributive, and 0 and 1 are the identities. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.